Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite. Libra, this is going to be a small little energy check-in to see how you guys are doing and if there's any advice that you need. So Libra, let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Libra, before I begin, we're going to take a blessing card from my angels to see how my angels are going to bless you, and then we'll start your reading. So my angels, what do we have for Libra now? Blessing or an advice for Libra? Blessing or an advice for Libra, Spirit? This one. Okay. Let's put the rest back, Libra. And the card from the angels is Libra, Vision. How do you see yourself in the next, say, 5 years, 10 years? So instead of making rash decisions for the now, it's also a good idea, I think, to keep your vision on your future. Right? I have no clue why this card is here, Libra. We're going to open the rest of your cards and see why this card is here for you today and what does vision mean for you or for this reading. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for such a support to the channel. I'm very blessed to have you all here today. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do subscribe to the channel and join us. And one card flipped out while I was talking, Libra, which is the Hierophant in reverse. So this is the card of somebody not wanting commitment. So either you're looking for it or you are not giving it or there's something happening here regarding commitment, Libra. I'm just going to keep this card aside and see whether this was a random card, which I doubt, or is it going to say something to the rest of our reading as well. So let's begin. Welcome back. I've already said that. And if you're new here, we invite you to join us. We're Omkara family. And if you like this channel, do subscribe and become part of us. We welcome you in. So this is going to be a small 9-card reading, Libra, just to check your energy. And I'm also taking 3 cards of advice for you. On the request of one of my subscribers who said, hey, can we have something as advice as well? So here it is. And now I have the 3 of Cups. Bottom of my deck as well, which is reunion, Libra, or maybe this sometimes could also mean a third-party situation. So we have a lot of guesses going on, Libra, right now before we even open the cards, right? So we have the 3 of Cups here, we have the Hierophant, and we have the Vision card here. Let's see why these cards are here for us. So, and if any of you want a private reading, Libra, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. 9 of Wands in reverse, 9 of Swords in reverse, and the Magician upright. Okay, 5 of Wands in reverse, 8 of Swords in reverse, and 8 of Pentacles in reverse. A lot of reversals, Libra, except for the Magician. I want to know what this Magician is trying to do here. King of Pentacles in reverse, Page of Pentacles upright, and the Tower upright. Oh, wow. So the only 3 cards I have upright here, Libra, for you are the Magician card, Page of Pentacles, and the Tower. Okay, but all the ones which are in reverse are very good in reverse. This is the best part. A lot of people get mistaken where they say, oh, why so many reversals? But can you imagine having a card like the 9 of Swords in reverse? Upright, it's a card of somebody not being able to sleep, somebody always worried, having headaches, always feeling miserable about their life or thinking of consequences. But when it's in reverse, means the opposite of that, right? So a lot of these cards are in reverse, which are excellent cards to be in reverse. 8 of Swords in reverse, no more overthinking. 5 of Wands in reverse, not wanting to fight anymore. 9 of Wands in reverse, no longer wanting to stay guarded and fighting or anything like that. So a lot of very good cards in reverse. Let's see what the storyline is here. So, somebody Libra, I there is somebody here in the dynamic who has stopped fighting for this connection. They, yes, now some memories have been created of this dynamic which are not the best. Six of Cups in reverse, right? So whatever has happened between the two of you, somebody has taken back their power, and now, whatever memories there are not that great anymore. Somebody is not fighting for this connection. This could be you, Libra, but this could be a cross watcher as well. I think whoever is kind of giving up the fight here, Libra, is now very clear. They don't want to worry about this relationship anymore. They don't want to fight anymore. They are very clear in their mind. They feel now it's time now to release all the stress and tension and not invest in this dynamic at all. They find the other person, who I think is the masculine. I think I'm talking to a feminine here, Libra. So this could be you, this could be the feminine you're dealing with. But this feminine here is no longer investing in this relationship anymore. They find the masculine to be very, very non-emotional, and maybe not having the best communication skills either, right? So I think the feminine here is now kind of put her hands up and saying, I'm not fighting for this. I'm very clear. I'm not going to worry about this connection anymore. I see clearly now of the way this masculine has behaved with me in my life. I'm going to now manifest maybe a brand new beginning for myself. I'm not interested in any petty fights here. I'm not going to overthink this, and yes, I'm putting this to an end. Whatever relationship I had with this masculine here, who was maybe to look at, this masculine may have come across as a very stable character, a businessman who's always up and about, who's admired, who's respected, who travels a lot and got all his ducks in a row. But whoever this feminine is has seen through, I think, certain things which have not really worked out for them, right? The feminine feels that yes, he may appear like that, but in actuality, I know the truth. This person is not very nice. I mean, they never have clear communication with me. They tell lies maybe, or they speak rudely, or whatever they've done. I mean, the feminine here is taking a call to say, I'm out. Okay, and I'm looking forward to my future now, and I'm manifesting a brand new beginning, I think, for myself. So somebody here is no longer working on this relationship at all. They find that they feel this is clear now. There is no point. There is no Ten of Cups to be had here. I'm not going to even waste my time trying to spy on them or trying to see if they're coming back. Like, this is like pure ending. Whoever this feminine is doesn't have the best, how do I say this? They don't have the best regard for this masculine anymore. They see this masculine as a player. They see this masculine as a immature person. They see this masculine as somebody who's in and out of their life, who maybe has multiple partners, always pretending to be this very stable King of Wands, but in reality, all they bring is a lot of unrest, and maybe third parties as well. Because when I see the Knight of Wands and the King of Wands, I mean, a Three of Cups is like a given, right? When this character is around, there has to be something fishy going on with third parties. And yes, maybe a commitment was not offered when the time was right, and there is a feminine here who is now giving up the struggle to wait or expect. They've seen enough. I think they've seen too much. And when you see so much with the Ace of Swords upright, you kind of can't unsee what you've already seen. So I have one person here, the feminine, I think, who's no longer putting in any work towards this relationship. So what's this King of Pentacles then, Spirit? King of Pentacles. Now I think the masculine is feeling very, very ungrounded. Now tables have turned. Okay, so now the masculine, who was, always maybe busy with their projects or working or trying to create empires with their King of Wands energy, is now feeling that nothing is working out. King of Pentacles in reverse. So now they feel they've lost or are losing consistently since this feminine has left their life. And yes, there is an alarm going on in my background. If you can hear it, it'll go off in a second, I think. Yes, there are alarm bells going on in this masculine's life, that's for sure. Yes, it's gone off now. So this masculine is feeling very ungrounded now. They thought they could play and be selfish, and this feminine would probably wait around forever. And because now they're feeling ungrounded because this feminine has stopped putting in any work. Now the tables have turned. The feminine is no longer stressed and worried and not sleeping, or this feminine is now manifesting her vision for her future, but the masculine is now sitting in the darkness with sleepless nights and worried and not knowing how to communicate. Right? They desperately want to communicate now with the feminine once again to see if something new can be started. They are feeling that vibe that things have totally stagnated. Nobody is fighting for this connection anymore. Maybe there was a time when only one person was fighting for this connection and went through all the stress and worry of being battered and bruised, not sleeping, dealing with all these fights. So since one person has pulled back their power with their magician energy, now there is a masculine who's now wanting communication. What is this Page of Pentacles, Spirit? Now they want to work towards it. Okay, so now this masculine who's feeling ungrounded, who can't sleep at night, now they want to put in some work, they want to start something brand new again, and they want to communicate this with the feminine. That's what's going on in Libra's life. Now Libra, you'll know, right, whether you are the one who is in this place where you were not bothered about your partner, and now that the partner has left you, now you are upset, or you could be the one who is now over your stress and tension and left the other partner out to deal with their sleepless nights. Now we have a Tower, which is the most important card here, Libra. So what do we have for, clarify the Tower for us, Spirit. One more. One more. This Tower moment has already happened. It's already happened for this masculine. They realized that there was no equal give and take in this relationship, which was, I think, because of them. Now this person is overthinking it. All those cards which were there for the other person are now here for the masculine. The 8 of Swords, the 9 of Swords. So they are right now going through a Tower moment, Libra. This is their Tower moment where this person has no wish fulfillment. They are now wanting to heal broken hearts. They want this Wheel of Fortune now to turn upright again, so that they can come back and have communication and work towards this relationship. This masculine is wanting a fresh new beginning with their partner once again. So let's see what's the universe saying here. 5 of Cups, lot of regrets, Hermit in reverse, and the 9 of Cups. Yes, Libra, I think this is a message for the masculine who is right now sitting in their regret of these 3 cups which fell to the ground. Maybe there were third parties, like I said. Now this person is in deep regret. This could be you, Libra. This could be your masculine here. Spirit's advice to this masculine here is that put down your sword. You've been playing too many games here. All these have backfired on you, which is karma, right? So if you are going through your karma, it's time now to stop, playing these one-man-up ship kind of games. Hey, I'm bigger, you're smaller, and those kind of things. Always having to be showing yourself as I'm always right, I'm the king, I'm the best, I can do whatever I can and get away with it. So Spirit's advice and message to this masculine is Put down those swords, masculine. You've put yourself in this position. You've made some very foolish choices here with the Hermit in reverse. You have not done your work yet, maybe. You've not listened to the universe. You were supposed to have a vision for the future. Instead, you did some foolish things by inviting maybe third parties into the situation. And that's the reason there is no coming back right now to your feminine. One more card, Spirit, for the Hermit in reverse. Yes, now, this is big time karma, Libra. Now, this masculine not only cannot have a reconciliation, but they're also feeling exactly how they left their feminine. Left out in the cold, abandoned, having lack mentality, feeling abandonment issues maybe. So, I think this is a karmic lesson for their foolish behavior. Nine of Cups, Spirit. Why is the Nine of Cups here? Not only do they, till they don't learn the lessons, Libra, this masculine, whoever there is it seems still ungrounded, is going to keep feeling ungrounded. They have to get over all this confusion of having many, many options till they don't choose one. Heart of hearts, this person knows who their soulmate is, right? Till this choice is not made, this choice of choosing the correct cup of the soulmate, the gift that had been given to you by the universe, there is going to be no happiness. I'm sorry to put it this bluntly, Libra. I don't know whether this is you or not, but there seems to be a karmic repercussion for the masculine here who has dealt the feminine not the best hand, right? And now the universe is taken over here, where the feminine is now in her power, manifesting a beautiful vision and life for herself. The masculine is here right now in regret and sadness. Why? Because of their own unwise decisions. Manipulative behavior, King of Cups in reverse, right? So it's time to take action, I think, Libra. You could always turn this around. Nothing lasts forever. The only constant in life is change. You can pick yourself up at any time and you can start anew. All right? So that's all I have for you, Libra. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.